G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I'm just insulating this floor for sound from the upstairs. They've got a kids' play area upstairs and a bedroom downstairs. So we've asked them to pull these lights out, and they're actually going to put a different type of fitting in here that doesn't have a transformer, and they're going to put an LED fitting that hangs down from the ceiling. It doesn't go up into the ceiling at all. And I've actually pumped all of these, and so I've just put a little bit of polyester in the holes after a pump, but you can see there's a row along that side there, which I actually pumped from this side here back towards that side, and then I drilled those holes as a check hole to make sure I'd got all the way across the room, and then any bays that didn't quite get there, I topped up from there. So there's actually, that cavity fills right up, so you've got nearly 300 millimeters of insulation there with the cellulose fibre, which gives you a huge acoustic and thermal value with that. But as you can see, this is the hose going up through the hole. That's one there that I haven't actually insulated yet, and here's one that I've got ready to go. So I'll just turn this on and I'll show you. Yeah, people want to know how I know whether it's full. Well, I drill test holes to make sure. So right at the start in the other room, there's a couple of test holes in the middle, and even in this room here, you see the download holes that are in the middle. They form my quality control, if you like, because I pull those bits out and check them before we go to make sure that we go all the way to the middle. And so that's as simple as it is. Put insulation in, and then when we're finished, the customer gets the plaster in to patch up the holes. We leave the divots behind that we cut out, and here that's blocking up, so I turned it off. Right? And then we so the hose actually blocks up, and so it locks up solid, so I know it's full. And and then the customer just gets the plaster repaired, and their roof will be a lot quieter.